Good morning students. Bacha, today we are going to start our exercise 3.5. Question first. Which of the following pairs of linear equations has unique solution, no solution or infinite many solution? Again the same method that we did, that we have to find the ratio of a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. According to that we will tell that the pair of linear equation is having unique solution, no solution or infinite many solution. In case there is a unique solution, then find it by using cross multiplication method. But today we are this method is new to us. Clear? Firstly, this is the first part, x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0, and the other equation is 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0. So whether you write it that compare with the standard form, it is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. And bacha, if you are comfortable directly while by writing the coefficients, means writing a1 a2 directly without comparing it, then go for it. Now here a1 1, coefficient of x is 1, b1 minus 3, c1 minus 3, a2 3, b2 minus 9, c2 minus 2. Then ratio a1 by a2 1 by 3, b1 by b2 minus 3 minus 9, 1 by 3, c1 by c2 3 by 2. So here it is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Anji beta, which solution is this? No solution. It has no solution. Note it. We will do the second part. But why they said that only in case of unique solution. जब unique solution आएगा, only then we have to find the solution. So note it. The second part. Two x plus y is equal to 5, 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. But in standard form, constant is on the left side. So rewrite the given pair of linear equation. So what it will be? 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. But I am going to erase it. Now here I will not write that compare because I know this thing. So a1 2, b1 1, c1 minus 5, a2 3, b2 2, c2 minus 8, a1 by a2 2 by 3, b1 by b2 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Unique solution. Then how to find it? By cross multiplication. But this cross multiplication method is known as 2312 method also. So cross multiplication or 2312. How to do it बच्चा? फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज, पहले तो जैसे राइट हैंड साइड पे 0 रखेंगे, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड टर्म शिफ्ट कर देंगे. फिर 2 मीन्स सेकेंड वाले का कॉफिशिएंट 1 2, 3 मीन्स कांस्टेंट टर्म दोनों की 1 2 3 2 अगेन 1. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड x इक्वल्स टू y इक्वल्स टू 1. हाँ जी बेटा जी, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन -8 -10 -15 -16 4 -3 x -8 plus 10 y -15 plus 16 1 by 1. So here it is x by 2 y by 1 1 by 1. Now बचा अब x और y की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. ऑलवेज कंपेयर विद द कांस्टेंट टर्म. सो x by 2 इक्वल टू 1 by 1. दैट इम्प्लाइज x इक्वल टू 2. अगेन y by 1 इक्वल्स टू 1 by 1. दैट इम्प्लाइज y इक्वल्स टू 1. So here our x is 2 and y is 1. Check it for a while. हाँ जी बेटा जी. नेक्स्ट पार्ट 3.5. Question third, part third, first question. The statement is 3x minus 5y equals to 20, 6x minus 10y equals to 40. Rewrite the given pair of linear equation. So it is 3x minus 5y. I am going to shift on the left side. Minus 20 equal to 0. 6x minus 10y minus 40 equal to 0. So a1 3, b1 minus 5, c1 minus 20. a2 6, b2 minus 10, c2 minus 40. a1 by a2, 3 by 6, 1 by 2. b1 by b2, minus 5 minus 10. c1 by c2. So all are equal, infinite many solution. Infinite many solutions. Now, for last part of question first. I hope you understand this method. Bacha, if it is mentioned that you are supposed to use cross multiplication or elimination or substitution, only then go for that method. Otherwise, in which you are comfortable, solve with that method. Okay. Now, it is x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. 3x minus 3y minus 15 equals to 0. हाँ जी बेटा जी. a1 already on the left side. a1 1, b1 minus 3, c1 minus 7. a2 3, b2 minus 3, c2 minus 15. It is minus 7. So a1 by a2, 1 by 3. b1 by b2, minus 3 by 3. कट गया है 1. So here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So it has a unique solution. Clear? It has a unique solution. So how to find cross multiplication? 2312. 2 -3 ये कटिंग नहीं करनी बच्चा. Here it is not in the form of numerator and denominator. Here it is directly. So 2 -3 3 -7 -15 1 1/3 2 -3 so it is x equals to y equals to 1. X this 45 minus 21 minus 21 minus -15 minus 3 minus -9. X by 45 minus 21 24 minus 21 plus 15 minus 3 plus 9. X 24 minus 6 1/6. So x by 24 equals to 1/6. Y by -6 1/6. Cross multiplication 6x 24x 24/6 64. X equals to 4. Y cross multiplication 6x minus 6 minus 6/6. Y is equal to -1. X equals to 4. So this is our solution. Note it. After then we will start our question second. Note it. Now read the statement of second question. For which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? But I am going to raise the complete blackboard. Exercise 3.5 question second first part. They are saying the given equation is 2x plus 3y equals to 7, a minus bx plus a plus by. But now they already tell us that there is an infinite many solution. So it has infinite many solution. So what is the condition for infinite many solution? As the given pair has infinite many solution, therefore क्या कंडीशन थी? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Now rewrite the given equations. I will shift this side. 2x plus 3y minus 7 equals to 0. A minus bx plus a plus by minus. But now all the sign of this term will be shifted, changed. A minus plus 3a minus 3a plus b minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. So here a1 is 2, b1 is 3, c1 is minus 7. a2 is a minus b, the complete term, b2 a plus b, c2 minus 3a minus b plus 2. Now put a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2 in 1. So 2 by a minus b, 3 by a plus b minus 7 by minus 3a minus b plus 2. Firstly consider these two. 2 by a minus b, do the cross multiplication. 2 a plus b, 3 a minus b. It is 2a plus 2b, 3a minus 3b. 2a minus 3a. Beta, I am combining the like terms by shifting the terms. So here it is minus 3a. It is already minus 3b. Going to shift it. So minus a is equal to minus 5b. So a is equal to 5b. This is our second one because already give the first. Now solve these two. 3 by a plus b is equal to minus 7 minus 3 minus b plus 2. Do the cross multiplication. 3 into minus 3a plus b 2 is equal to minus 7a plus b. So minus 9a minus 3b plus 6 minus 7a, it is minus 7b. 9a, beta I am going to shift this one, it is plus 7a minus 7b plus 3b, I am shifting the side, plus 6 minus 6. Minus 2a is equal to minus 4b minus 6. Beta a is equal to 5b. So from 2, a is equal to 5b put here. I am simultaneously solving the solution, finding the solution also. Minus 10b, this is minus 4, it is plus 4b is equal to minus 6. So here it is also minus 6b, minus 6. So it is cancelled, b is equal to 1. So from 2, here I am going to raise this one. From 2, a, 5b into 1. So a is equal to 5, b is equal to 1. Bacha, check it. I hope it is clear to you people. Check it. Next part. For which value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? बच्चा no solution की condition क्या थी? I am going to raise this one. I am going to raise this part. Second part, 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. 3x plus 2, it is third question, but the second part. 3x plus y is equal to 1. 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1y is equal to 2k plus 1. हाँ जी बेटा जी, now again rewrite it. They are saying it has no solution. So condition for no solution is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So rewrite the given equations after shifting the constant term. So 3x plus y minus 1 equal to 0, 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1y minus 2k minus 1 equal to 0. बच्चा I am going to raise this part also क्योंकि ये पहले वाले का था, ऐसा ना confusion हो जाए. Y is equal to 1. So a1 3, b1 1, c1 minus 1, a2 2k minus 1, b2 k minus 1, c2 minus 2k minus 1. Now condition 3 by 2k minus 1 according to condition is equal to 1 by k minus 1 is not equal to minus 2k minus 1. So firstly, take these two. 3 by 2k minus 1 equals to 1 by k minus 1. So it is 3k minus 1, 2k minus 1, 3k minus 3, 2k minus 1, 3k minus 2k minus 1 plus 3, k equals to 2. Now Now 1 by k minus 1 is not equal to minus 2k minus 1. Cross multiply minus 2k minus 1 minus 1 k minus 1. Is better we will write this sign not equal to sign because it is in our condition. Minus k plus 1. So shift k 1 and 1. It is minus k is not equal to 2, so k is not equal to 2. So value of k is equal to 2 and k is not equal to 2. मतलब इस सॉल्यूशन के लिए k 2 तो आएगा पर k की वैल्यू -2 नहीं आएगी. Now question third. I hope you noted it, but I am going to raise this side only. Question third. Question third. Read the statement. What they are saying that solve the following pair of linear equation by the substitution and cross multiplication method. So we have to solve it by both methods. 3x plus 2y equals to 4. Substitution method. Firstly, substitution method. You can find any value from anywhere. 1. From 1. 8x is equal to 9 minus 5 by x. 9 minus 5y by 8. Put 3 in 2. We found the value from 1. So now we will put in 2. So 3 into 9 minus 5y by 8. Plus 2y equals to 4. It is 27 minus 15y by 8 plus 2y equals to 4. Bacha, here the denominator is 1. So LCM of 1 and 8 is 8. 27 minus 15 plus 16y equals to 4 by 1. Cross multiplication. 27 plus y is equal to 32. Y 32 minus 27, it is 5. So going to erase this one. That implies y is equal to 5. Put y is equal to 5 in 3. X 9 minus 5 into 5 by 8, x 9 minus 40 by 8, x minus 25 minus 16 by 8 minus x equals to -2, y equals to 5. So बच्चा जी, now they said find it with the cross multiplication. So बच्चा अब मैं यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए पहले मैंने शिफ्ट करवाए थे, बट अब हम यहीं से चलेंगे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए. कैसे? अगर आप इसको शिफ्ट नहीं करना चाहते हो तो A1 8, B1 5, C1 -9, A2 3, B2 2, C2 4. So x is equal to y is equal, यहाँ पे फिर -1 आ जाएगा अगर आप यहाँ से इसको उस तरफ शिफ्ट नहीं करते. Means if you are not shifting the constant term to the left hand side, then here we will put instead of 1 we will take -1. So here firstly before this we will write 2, 5, 2, 3, 9, 4, 1, 8, 3, 2, 5. Even there is no need to write this one also. Don't write it. I will write it by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication method. हाँ जी बेटा जी, x equals to y is equal to minus 1. Here 5 4s are 20 minus 18. 9 3s are 27 minus 32. 8 2s are 16 minus 15. So x by minus 2, y minus 5 minus 1 by, sorry here it is plus 2, 20 minus 18, 1. Now x by 2 minus 1 by 1, y minus 5 minus 1. By cross multiplication it is minus 2, y is equal to 5. So x equal to minus 2, y is equal to 5. But you can check it. The value of x and y by both the method is same, and it will always be same. Even you can apply elimination method also, graphical method also. The value will be same. So I hope you understand this method and it is clear to you. But if there is any problem, comment on YouTube. Thank you so much.